Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reactivate Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then
Hello.
click on menu option, scroll down, tap on logout. Okay, then use another profile, then this option, mobile number or email. Okay, then use mobile number or email, then password and login, then reactivate your Facebook account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.